Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel, Gun Breakdown, a Beginner's Guide. I'm Jonathan, and today we're going to be going over how you put in your new Glock 43X mag catch and your extended slide lock bar. All right, let's go ahead and get right into it. All right, so what you're going to need is you're going to need a couple of punch pins, one small, one large, a little hammer or mallet, and you're going to need some kind of hook for this is going to be for the mag catch. And then you're going to need your upgrade kit ready to go. So this is for the Glock 43X. This is also similar to the Glock 48 as well, or Glock 43 or 42. For the most part, these two pins right here, these are easy to change, no problem. And let's go ahead and get right into it. So first thing is we're gonna remove the magazine, which there's none in here. And we're gonna do a physical and visual inspection of the chamber. I see nothing, feel nothing, weapon is clear. So we're gonna go ahead and send this forward. We're gonna pull the trigger, pull the slide back just barely, take the slide off, set that to the side because we actually don't need it. And then now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and open up our kit. All right, now that we got that open, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna take our punch pin set and we're going to take out the rear pin right here with the small one. And just push that out, set that to the side. And then now we're gonna come over here and we're gonna take it out from right to left. So we're gonna take our mallet and switch to the larger pin. Okay. All right, and now that we got that, we're gonna take out the locking block right here, which some people will tell you it's not necessary to do for your extended slide lock. However, I find it easier. There's less pieces in my way, so this is just a personal preference. All right, so we're gonna go ahead. And these pieces, if you're looking for this color specifically, this is from Cross Armory. You can get these pieces from anywhere. I've seen them on eBay. I've seen them on Cross Armory. I've seen them on Shield Arms. Glock stores got some pieces too. Yeah. So now the first thing we're going to do is we're going to we're going to put in the new extended slide lock. So what we're going to need to do is we're going to take our small punch pin. And what we're going to do is we're going to push down right here. Let's see if I can do that instead. Yeah. You're going to push down right here on the slide lock bar with your finger. And then you're going to come across here. And then you're going to gently push this in and push that all the way out. Now, it is imperative before you do this that you keep your finger on top so that little spring does not come flying out, because if it does, you will never find it. So now we got that, we can go ahead and take that piece out. And you see this little spring right here. I just want to show you guys this little spring right there. If you lose that, you're gonna have to buy a new one on the Glock store. And trust me, if you lose this spring, trust me, you're not going to find it. All right. So now we're going to take our new extended slide lock bar, and this lip that you can see right here, that's going to face towards you as the shooter. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and keep our finger there on top of the spring. We're going to come over here and slide this in. And slide that across and then push it in, and then bam. And then we have our new purple slide lock bar, extended slide lock bar. Okay, now here comes the difficult part, only because this is hard to show. So now what we're gonna do is we're going to upgrade the mag catch. So in order to do that, there is There's really no good way to show you guys except like this. So let's see if I can. Yeah, okay, there you go. You can see it. All right, so this piece, there's a little piece right here, and you see my hook. I need to hook right in here, and then I'm going to push in on the mag catch on this side. I'm going to push in on this side so it's not fighting against me. So I'm going to keep some pressure right here. Then I'm going to come up here and with some pressure, we're going to get that spring. Okay. And now that we got that, and you didn't have to listen to me struggle and breathe heavy into the mic, you see this little piece right here, right there. I'm touching it with the hook right here. So now that we got that popped out, what we're going to do is we're going to take out our mag catch. Okay, now that we got that, we're going to take our new mag catch and we're going to go ahead and put this in. Okay, so actually what we need to do is we're going to take some tweezers or some needle nose pliers, and we're going to try to pull out that mag catch spring. So let me go grab my pliers real quick. Okay, and now that we got my pliers, we're going to go ahead and we're going to go into here, grab that, pull this right on out, just like that. Okay, so we're going to set this down, and then now we're going to take our mag catch and we're going to go ahead and insert that. Oops, did it a little bit too fast. There we go. Okay, and now that we got this in, we're going to go ahead and keep our finger right here on this pressure. And you see that little V shape right in here? See that little V shape right in here? That is where your mag catch spring goes. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to take our pliers again. And then we're going to get ready to insert this back into that V-shaped hole. Okay, now that we got that back in there, now all we have to do is take our hook piece, or our hook tool, and what we're going to do is we're going to feed this curve. We're going to curve it back to the side like that and feed it underneath. Alright, and so all I did was take my punch pin and push down onto the spring to get into that V-shaped hole. That's all I did. So now we're going to take our hook tool and we're going to pop this back over to the side while keeping pressure on the right side right here. Okay, and now that we got that popped back into place, test your mag catch to make sure that it works. All right, let's grab a magazine. So just like that. Perfect. Okay. All right, and then now we got that done, all we have to do is put it back together. All right, so now we got that. Let's go ahead and put these pieces in. So your smaller piece, your smaller pin right here, that is going to go into the rear end right here. And you want to make sure before you do that, you want to make sure that your trigger housing group is pushed in down far enough all the way. So we're going to push that pin right on in. We'll grab our punch pin set and finish it the rest of the way. Yep. And now that we got that, we're going to go ahead and take this larger pin right here, and we're going to put it into this hole right here. Actually, and before we do that, we need to make sure that the locking block is in. Got a little bit ahead of myself. So then we got that, push that in. And now we can take our mallet or hammer, hammer that in. All right, that is good to go. We got that. Now we're going to take our slide and put it back into the grooves. Do a functions check. So we're going to pull the trigger for a click, rack it, pull the trigger again for a click, and this time keep it held down. Release the trigger for a click, pull it again for a clunk, pull it again, reset, and there you go. That is how you install your extended slide lock bar, and that's how you put in your mag catch for your Glock 43X. I hope you guys found this video to be informative and helpful. The mag catch part is definitely the most difficult to teach because it's harder to see in the right light. I really try to keep this video short. I know it's a little bit over 12 minutes long. I really try to keep this short for you guys, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video. You all stay safe, take care, and carry every day, and please sign up and subscribe to my channel.